Hello, I'm Stephen Cook, Cook Saw Manufacturing. Several weeks ago I cut some boards on a AC-44 sawmill. Just an old ugly log, knotty log, and we'll attach some pictures here, put them in the video and let you see when I was cutting on it. But I thought I'd take it to the next level. Some of those boards, if you remember, were just spalted and all kind of colorations, even some powder post beetle holes in them. And I thought I'd just run them through this planer that we've got. I've got a 27-inch planer here that we've had, and I'll even sell it if somebody be interested in it. But I'm going to run this through and let you look at it, and maybe I can, in another video, put some lacquer finish on it, polyurethane or something on it, to see what the wood looks like once we're done. But I just want to run it through this planer and let you see how it works. Thicker board. We'll have to get it adjusted out a little bit, so we'll run it a couple of times. So you'll be able to see what we did here. I didn't plane it completely out, but you can see how pretty that wood is. How it's got all these pecky characteristics. That's just beautiful stuff right there. Just absolutely beautiful stuff. I'll try to take and run and put some polyurethane on it. See if we can't make it look even better. Sand it a little bit maybe. Show a little bit more of it. Just wanted to share that with you and let you see how good that lumber could turn out. I will plane it a little bit more and go a little bit further with it. But that was pretty interesting how well that turned out. Again, you can see how pretty that knot is. You can put some putty or epoxy in it and just make a beautiful board. Treat it right. You can make a charcuterie board, cutting boards. This is just this is oak actually. Old red oak that was at my house that died. So anyway, just beautiful stuff. And you can see how you can make some nice stuff if you enjoy woodworking like we do. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you. Hope you have a good day and enjoy the video.